What is going on, YouTube? All right, so today we have a unboxing video. Boom, right here. These are going to be my first mod on my 2019 Civic Si. The car doesn't have LEDs or HIDs from the factory. Now, probably this is a cost-cutting thing that they actually do. Stock LED xenon lights, all of the above are just expensive. You know, you have ballast, you have cost, and halogen's a good way to cut down on that. So it's one of the ways that they keep the price of the Civic Si down. So we have to turn to aftermarket, which is right here. So for aftermarket, you have a couple of options. What I mean by that is you have a traditional HID, which is a high intensity display. It's a ballast type, it's a xenon type, it's gas effectively. So you have a ballast, which is effectively an igniter. And it ignites the gas warms up to temperature, and that's what you see with HIDs. A really easy way you can tell an HID right from an LED right away is that the color temperature, the light will actually change color as it warms up. And the reason it's doing that is because the gas is actually getting hotter. So, for what it's worth. These, however, are a different story altogether. Effectively, what these are LED. So LED stands for light emitting diode. I have not yet opened this, so I don't know what this is. I got this from Amazon, actually. It is the Nineo Generation 2. They actually came pretty highly regarded as far as a really good set to use. I think I paid $48.99 next day shipped to my house. So I like that. A little bit of the product specifications on the back right here. We can basically see the input power is 36 watts. The lumen output on this particular one is lumen output 6,000 lumens. So that's pretty bright. To give you an idea what 6,000 lumens is like, a traditional 100-watt light bulb puts out around 1,000 lumens. So if you have a 100-watt light bulb, 1,000 lumens, this is effectively 600-watt light bulb. So it's going to be pretty bright. The light source, it is Cree, which is CREE, which is actually really high quality LED diode themselves. When you're looking at LEDs, you're going to want Cree LEDs or you're going to want Philips LEDs. A lot of the Chinese knockoff brands, they don't use good LEDs. This brand right here actually does use a pretty good LED. So let's go ahead and open up the box, see what's in this. Right off the bat, I'll tell you, it's pretty heavy. What I mean by that is it's heavier than I thought. So we'll take the lid off here. Nice little box. It seems like companies are going to good packaging. I mean, I remember when I bought my first set of LEDs, they came in or my first set of HIDs ever, it would have been, oh gosh, 2000, man, I was putting them in my Integra. So probably in 2004, I bought a set of HIDs off Craigslist, and they came in like this box that was like this color. And they were just like thrown in there, but they worked, you know. I think I paid like $150 for those. So in here, you do have a little book right off the bat. What's in this book? Oh, nice. Basically, it gives you specifications of what the product is, product knowledge, product size. The bulb for this particular car is actually an H11. So it gives you some installation steps, just more steps on how to install it. Oh, warranty service. Basically, before you call us, please double check on the warranty. Now, cool thing about this is an Amazon bought and sold product, so it comes with an Amazon warranty. So in addition to the year warranty, 2-year warranty that these things have, if within the first 90 days if they suck, I can just contact Amazon and they're just going to send me a new pair. So that's an Amazon thing, which is really cool. It does have a frequently asked questions in here. Things like, do the LEDs need additional anti-flickering decoders resistors for my car? No. While these LEDs are for my car, you know, it's just all kinds of stuff. Oh, this is actually hella cool. So look at this. How to contact us on Amazon. So this company right here only sells on Amazon. That's actually pretty cool. So, I mean, that's real nice, and their videos are pretty good. Tells you a little bit about the warranty service and that. So, like I said, it's the book. It does come with a whoosh, itty-bitty tool here. This is always nice. I always like this, you know. Companies giving you the tool that you're going to need. I mean, look at this Allen key. What? I don't even know. It's so small. I don't know what that's for yet, but I will find out in just a second. All right. Now, the LEDs are packaged very well. They're not obviously going anywhere in this box here. So, first thing I want to pull out is this. Oh, okay. So, all right. So this is the LED. I thought they were going to be plug and play, meaning I thought you were just going to just plug your other one into this, but I guess not. So some LEDs, they have the resistor and the ballast actually in the LED itself. That's cool, except this thing gets hot. And what I mean by this thing gets real hot is that you don't want this anywhere near your chipset that's on your LED. It's pretty basic. We're going to take out the old ones, which we're going to do in just a few minutes, and we're going to plug this bad boy into the headlights, and we're just going to put this right here into the headlight itself. And then that's what it's going to look like in the headlight. Now, quick little review on these things. I mean, these things are incredibly heavy. They are actually in really good quality. I mean, I was actually not expecting this kind of quality. Like, this is not just a wire. It's like, it's got braided nylon over it, which will help with abrasion resistance. Here's the connector between the ballast. So if the ballast ever goes bad, you can replace the ballast, which is pretty cool, and it's all waterproof. It's got a really nice seal, and it looks, you screw this in here, and that's pretty cool. So it's all waterproof. Like I said, it's all ballast nylon wrapped over here, which is really nice. And then of course your connector right here. Now let's talk about the LED itself. So this is the important part of your LED. First of all, if you get an LED, you want to get one with a fan. See this little computer fan on the back of it? This will help keep air moving around. Now, the problem is this is right behind your headlight, so it's not getting a bunch of air, plus it's in the engine compartment. So LEDs do run hot, so that's the importance of having the ballast off the LED, is that it's gonna run cooler like this. Second of all, if you look at all these little vent holes in here, it's definitely gonna be pulling air through the LED. What I mean is that you don't wanna push air on a hot source, you wanna pull air through the heat source. So, for what it's worth. And then we're going to look right in here. We're going to look at these little diodes in here, which the camera's going to focus on really good. Do you see how the LED itself is yellow, but the board is white? That's what you want. So if you look at something that's LED and the chip and the board are the same color, that's called chip on board. You don't want that in an LED. What I mean is you want the LED to be separate than the board. And you can tell this by the board is white, you see right back here, and then the LED is yellow. So you can see it on this side too. Now, the Honda is pretty cool because the Honda has projector headlights. What a projector basically means is that there's going to be a lens in front of this that's going to focus the beam. So you don't have to worry too much about where your light is going. I will tell you that this particular brand though, it actually has cutouts and things in here. If you look, see how it's beveled and things in there? And it's designed to keep the light from just shining just entirely too bright at the cars in front of you, because obviously that's a big thing. So I'm going to go ahead and do an install on these things. I'm going to install these today, see how they turn out. My whole idea is to match my daytime running lights with my everyday run-of-the-mill lights that are on the car. I also ordered some fog lights. I ordered some yellow fog lights. They're not LED because I'm cheap, but these are my important ones that I get the light from. So, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe down below, you know, if you haven't done it. If you want to see an install video of these, let me know. I can show you guys how to do it. It's pretty straightforward on the Civic. And I'll let you guys know how good it is because, yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks for everything.